Ever since I started YouTube, I've always believed that YouTube is all about getting 1,000 subscribers, and once you get 1,000 subscribers you start making money. But now I'm currently at 1,000 subscribers and I have YouTube Studio now, and I realized something, that YouTube is not like that. For you to monetize, you have to reach 1,000 subscribers. Is either 4,000 watch hour or 10 million short views in the last 90 days. And guys, I'm still at nothing, and I decided to start posting long videos on this channel. But I recently discovered a pattern. Each time I post a long video on this channel, I get 0 to no view. And anytime I post shorts, the shorts keep getting massive view based on how interesting it is. Please, if you are watching this video, don't forget to like, comment. Yeah, because as you like and comment, it will make that video to think, oh, this is a good video, and push it to new people. So with that, I can break my long videos out of the frozen state it is and start getting massive views. 1,000 subscribers is the end. Once you just hit 1,000 subscribers, you start making money. But the reality is different. You need to, this video is to say thank you to those who support me till I get to 1,000 subscribers. I'll keep dropping new videos, keep uploading video, keep dropping video on this channel. Thank you for your support. This is Wasiu TV.